we bring in all the wishes and greetings from Speed Medical Institute on behalf of all the faculty members to Dr. Roshni Thapa for scoring a topmost rank in DM Pediatrics group of rank number 13. Wishing you all the best and congratulations for your wonderful achievement.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Now, can we know a brief background of where you started and how you done till date?
Sir, I was born in Jammu only. So I did my MBBS 2012 batch from GMC Jammu only. Then I did my MD Pediatrics from GMC Jammu only. So I started MD Pediatrics in 2019, finished in 2020. I gave DM. It is my second attempt. I gave previous year also. I got 158. So I was getting DNB. So I thought I had not studied that much. So I thought let's give one more try.
What is your interest in DM Super Speciality course? Which specialty you are interested in?
Sir, pediatric intensive care and pediatric gastroenterology.
Okay. Now, can you share us some of your preparation strategy from what all you have done to achieve this topmost rank?
Sir, I used to study Nelson in PG also. I didn't take any coaching or like that in PG. Then I used to study Nelson, and Nelson I used to study no coaching. But once I finished my MD, I had in my back of mind I want to do a super specialization. Then for 3 months I took speed course last year. 3 months. Okay, let's give it a try. So I had made my notes from Nelson. I just took your test series and did that. So I got 150 at rank. So I had done that much of hard work. But this year I was more organized. I had watched the videos, made notes, revised that notes again and again, and I took some time. I used to study on duty days also 4 to 5 hours. Starting from the month of December, 4 to 5 hours daily, and after and 2 months prior to, I took a full leave from the hospital. So that's why, and I started studying from 10 to 15 years. And then when your video came, exam got cancelled, you told us to, if you want to go for 1 week. I went for 1 week, then again took leave, and you said that this is the point, this is the make or break point. That stuck in my mind. Okay, I have to continue doing that. So that was it. But and your question series are very important. It just takes you from getting the rank. I could have got from under 100 to top ranker. Test series makes a lot of difference. The variety of questions in speed is unmatchable.
Really great, doctor. Now, how many questions did you attend the exam?
Sir, I attempted 142.
Oh,
142.
Very good. Now, what is the message?
You have to get 110 questions correct. The lines you were saying, they were stuck in my mind. I have to get 110, then you can get the good marks.
Doctor, what is the message that you want to give to the students who are aspiring for DM Pediatric Group Super Speciality?
I just want them to say this: just follow your heart. It's not just that it's a race. It's not like that in pediatrics right now. If you want to do, give your all. Don't stress out. Just study. Keep on studying. For 1 year, you study 4 to 5 hours. It's enough. Make notes, revise them. It's not possible to watch all the videos at the end time. Make notes, revise them, and 2 months are very important. You will have to study for 10 to 15 hours. Take full leave, then only you can. And everything is possible. I was never a top ranker. It's only this time I got this much of rank. Everything is possible. Just follow your heart and don't stress out.
Very, very inspiring story, and you have put a consistent, a persistent hard work to achieve what you achieved today. We once again congratulate you. Wish you all the best and all the success for a great career in DM Super Speciality from Pediatrics. All the best to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.